Hello everyone, I am Chase, Rocky Mountain ATV MC, giving you a closer look at the A-Pillar Mirror Mounts from Tusk. All right, so if you're looking to get some side view mirrors on your Textron Wildcat XX, well, these A-Pillar Mirror Mounts from Tusk, one of those gotta have accessories. So what's cool about these, they're CNC laser cut from steel. They have a black powder coated finish to them, but what's cool is the mounting position. So as you can see, they just mount right up to your A-pillar mounts. So what's great about this location is that it's out of the way of the A-pillar. So if you say you have a full windshield like we have right now, you know, in most cases, if you have clamps that go on your A-pillars, you have to modify your windshield. Some windshields just don't work with those, period. So with these, because they mount right here at your A-pillar mounts, they're completely out of the way, and they just, I think, just give a nice sleek look to your side-by-side as well. So you're just gonna take out your stock hardware. These will come with longer bolts to get those installed, and then you're just gonna bolt them right on, and you have an awesome location to mount up some side view mirrors. Now you'll also notice that we designed for these to work with our Tusk alloy mirrors. They will work with other mirrors as well, but we offer these individually. But if you want, you can pick this up as a kit, so you get the A-pillar mounts along with the Tusk alloy mirrors as well. So if you want to get everything at once, that kit's going to be the way to go. But that is it. That is the Tusk A-Pillar Mirror Mount. Again, awesome location down here at the bottom, stays out of the way of the windshield. Also, if you want, you can pick up those Tusk alloy mirrors as well. If you guys have any questions, leave your comments below to pick yours up. You can click on the link, head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com, just enter the make, the model, and the year of your vehicle. And as you scroll down, you're gonna see these mounts, the mirrors, along with all the machine-specific parts that we carry for the Textron Wildcat XX. I'm Chase at Rocky Mountain. We'll see you on the trails.